Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the you are not connected to the internet issue in Safari on MacBook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, my MacBook is connected to the internet but Safari still isn't working. This is a common issue that can keep coming back. So let's solve it once and for all. First of all, this issue can sometimes occur due to internet problems. If your internet connection is slow or unstable, Safari might not be able to connect properly. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, go to the Apple menu and open System Settings on your Mac. On the System Settings window, tap on General. Then tap on Date and Time under the General menu. Here, first turn off set time and date automatically, then verify your account, and then make sure the date, time and time zone are correct. If not, fix them manually. Next, go to the Wi-Fi section. Now, click the three dots next to your Wi-Fi network name and choose Forget this network and then confirm by clicking Forget. Now enter administrator's name and password to allow this and click OK. Now close this window and go back to the Apple menu and restart your Mac. After restarting, go back to the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Select Wi-Fi and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Click on Detail next to the connected network. Now go to the Proxies tab and here make sure all options are unchecked. No proxy settings should be enabled. Then go to the DNS tab and add these DNS servers. 8.8.8.8, then 8.8.4.4. Once you are done, click OK and verify your account. These are fast and reliable public DNS servers. Finally, open Safari and check if the issue is resolved. So guys, you can see that you are not connected to the internet problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.